Today, we are focusing on introducing the breakthrough capability of the HF3D vacuum press machine in bending and curving industrial wood panels. Previously, to achieve bending, your workshop had to groove the panels using a CNC router combined with aluminum jigs and specialized glue. This method was not only time-consuming, but compromised the structural integrity of the wood panel. Now, with high-frequency wave technology, the machine helps the glue dry instantly, cutting down processing time from hours to just a few minutes. This ensures high durability, consistency, and precision for all curved products, enabling mass production of parts such as curved chair backs, rounded tabletops, or other interior details like cabinets and bar counters that require large-length curves at industrial speed. The machine is designed for industrial scale with a large working chamber size, 3600 by 1400 by 900 millimeters. The powerful 3-kilowatt vacuum motor creates a strong suction force on profile surfaces, ensuring material is tightly secured when covering the panel surface or creating the curving force. The PLC controller is extremely stable, easy to operate, and simple to train even for new users. Most noticeably, in addition to the bending function, the machine also has the capability to perform 3D veneer, laminate, and PVC pressing or covering onto 3D surfaces, profiles, or edges. Whereas before, a workshop needing these three functions would have to invest in 3 separate machines, now only one machine is required. This 3-in-1 solution helps your business save on floor space, investment costs for machinery, and operating labor. Contact QUOC today to receive detailed technical documentation and in-depth consultation on this extremely hot, multifunctional industrial wood bending solution.